In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Docs. Whether you're looking to annotate your content with simple diagrams, add personalized notes, or create detailed drawings, Google Docs offers an easy way to enhance your documents with visuals. First, let's get started by opening up your Google Doc. You'll want to navigate to the top of your document and look for the Insert menu, which is conveniently located in the toolbar. Once you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down a bit and select Drawing, and then click on New. Doing this will open up a brand new window offering a drawing canvas for you to work on. This canvas is your creative playground. Now, with a blank canvas in front of you, it's time to dive into the drawing tools. On the toolbar within the drawing window, you'll notice several options that can help you create your desired artwork. If you're aiming to incorporate geometrical shapes, opt for the Shape tool. You can use this feature to add predefined shapes, arrows, or even callouts, which are particularly useful for annotations. Moving on, if you're in need of lines, the Line tool will be your go-to. This handy feature allows you to draw straight lines, arrows, or even connectors, perfect for flowcharts or structured diagrams. If you're feeling a bit more artistic, you can select Scribble from within the Line tool dropdown. This allows you to draw freehand with either your mouse or a stylus, giving you the freedom to create more fluid and organic designs. Should you wish to incorporate text, there's also a text box tool available. It allows you to add text to your drawing, which you can then format to fit your needs, such as changing the font, size, and color. Finally, if your drawing needs a bit of visual embellishment, you can add images. Simply click the Image tool to insert a relevant photo or graphic, which you can then enhance with your drawings. Once you're satisfied with your creation, the next step is to integrate it into your document. To do this, click Save and Close, found at the upper right of the drawing window. Your drawing will seamlessly appear within your Google Doc, precisely where your cursor was placed before opening the drawing tool. Don't worry if you need to make a few tweaks after seeing it in the context of your document. You can easily edit your drawing later on by simply clicking on it and selecting Edit. This flexibility ensures you can continually refine how your visuals complement your written content. With these steps, you can now effectively draw on Google Docs, adding a layer of personalization and creativity to your documents. By mastering these tools, you're enhancing not just the visual appeal, but also the communicative power of your work. So go ahead, start experimenting, and bring your text to life with your unique drawings in Google Docs.